Good morning to the respectable judges, teachers, and friends. My name is Benjamin Joseph Lee. I'm 11 years old and I'm a student of Pangudi Luhur Ambarawa Elementary School. Thank you for having me here today. I'll start my presentation with the definition of science. Science is defined as a way to reveal new facts, help people to survive, and ease their way of living. As we are experiencing a pandemic, social interaction is limited. So, it triggers online-based inventions. No difference with science. Right now, breakthroughs are supported by technology. Science is no longer related to experiment on the laboratory only. But we can do experiment at home, of course with the help of computer. Experiment can be done anywhere. So for this science fair, I made an application called Ear Here, which is supported by artificial intelligence. This application can help our fellow brothers and sisters who have hard of hearing problems, and for those who want to establish communication with them. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a computer manipulation so that the computer will behave just like humans' brain. The computer can recognize images, voice, and moving objects. The simplest artificial intelligence that we can see in our daily life is Google's voice recognition. When you want to search for something in Google, you can just say what you want to look for. And then Google will transform your voice to a text. I chose MIT App Inventor 2 because it is easy and the result can be transferred to mobile phone. It is super handy. In MIT App Inventor 2, we don't have to do the real coding. Instead, we use the drag and drop method. We arrange blocks, write puzzles, and these arrangements produce an application. Drag and drop method is a very efficient way to make concept or design for an application. But it has limitation. We cannot modify our application precisely as we need because we cannot modify blocks, right? I will show you how to use MIT App Inventor 2. First, what you need to do is open the MIT App Inventor web by typing this address. Next, sign in using your Google account. And then click Start New Project. Here, to name your project anything. Only mine's Ear Here. Okay. Okay, so this is the palette, viewer, components, and properties. In the palette, there are various components that you can choose to design your app. Buttons, checkbox. And then this one's the viewer. It is used to adjust the phone screen. This, the phone size, tablet size, or monitor size. Okay, and for the components right here, it will display or components that you use for this app. The properties right here will edit any component that you want precisely to your need. Like if I put my button right here, we can change this background color. If you don't like this background color, then we can just change it to blue like that, or your favorite color. Okay, so I'll start with label. Here, let's rename the label. Text, rename it. Ear here. There. Font bold. Size, how about 70? Or maybe 69, but no. I don't need the background. Typeface. Change the font to monospace. I think I'll just choose monospace. There. And then the button right here. Change it to blue. No. Going to name it in Indonesian. Write it in Indonesian. The text color, I'll change it to white. There. And shape, round it. Font size 25. No. How about 50? Well, 50 is too big. 40. Yep. Next, I want all of these to go to the center of the screen. So to do that, you have to go to the screen component right here, and then align horizontal, you change it to center. And then the align vertical, you change it to center. There. Okay. So this is the designer part. Next, let's go to the blocks part. Here. So when button 1.click do, so if this button is clicked and then it will run any command. So I'll go with control category right here. Screen 1? No, I want to change it to screen 2. So to add another screen or another page to your application, you have to press this button, add screen. I'll add screen 2. Here, go back to screen 1 and change it to screen 2. There. So next, this is the screen 2. Go all add 2 buttons here. Don't want to align these buttons vertically. So to do that, I have to add this component, the horizontal arrangement. It will arrange anything like this. Works the same if you add an image, maybe. See? It works for any component that you add inside this horizontal arrangement. Okay. Oh, wait. I need to design the colors too. Right. Blue. Okay. Color white. Proximity sensor. Background color red. Speech. Wait. Excellent. One text color first. Wait. Alright, I need to type it right here. Wait. No. Not here. Wait. Here. Speech recognizer. There. Proximity sensor and speech recognizer. So 2 of these buttons will have the same code, just with different names. Button 1 and button 2. And screen 3 and screen 4. Okay, I'll add 2 screens. Okay, and then 4th screen. There. I'll use the screen 3 for the proximity sensor and then screen 4 for the speech recognizer. Yeah, so the first button, second button. Here. Okay. Now the component's name is proximity sensor. Start off with the button. Oh, right. This code right here will change another screen with another screen. Like if you're in screen 1, then you can jump to screen 3 by using this block. So just to screen 2, back to screen 2. Then the proximity sensor. When proximity sensor dot proximity change distance to. So this block will detect if an object gets closer to the user or the other way around. Forgot one thing. I need the sound component so that it can vibrate. Call sound 1.vibrate. It is used to vibrate the phone, like that. And to add a number, you can't add it with this because this is a string. To add a number, add this block, this little block. 2000 milliseconds means 2 seconds. There. Now we're back to screen 2.
Okay, so the first button is put, and then it'll go to screen 3. Screen 3 will go back to screen 2. Nice. Works. Okay, there. Next, let's go to screen 4. Need to double check all of my codes first. So let's start off with a button. Okay, and then label blank label, and then I need a slider as well. Also need a text box. Sliders, 2 sliders, 1 little button. And wait, there. I think the designer part's done. Okay, here we go. Forgot to put the speech recognizer there. It's a very important component. Get text. So this call speech recognizer 1.getText block will start the recognition. Let's put it there. Next, for the speech recognizer 1, when speech recognizer 1 dot after getting text result partial 2. So what will this code do after the recognition is done? So I want to add set label 1 dot text to get result. And then for the slider, when slider 1 position changed, thumb position do. So it will slide the slider like this. When you slide the slider like this, this little square right here is a thumb position. So what if this little square right here moved? So I want to add set label 1's font size to thumb position. Next, text box. Hint, read only. Yeah. There you are. Slider 2 position changed. There. Okay. So now I need to code for last one. One button to click for the back. Control open another screen, name screen 2. Okay, so I'll double check my codes first. We'll start with the screen 1. It's a simple code. It will open the screen 2. Alright, from screen 2 we have 2 options. First one, which is the proximity sensor. We'll go to screen 3. Okay. Screen 3. Proximity change distance. Okay, next screen 4. Result partial. Get result. Set label. Okay, next screen. Yep. Now you can click connect button and then click AI companion. But before you scan this QR code, you need to download MIT App Inventor Companion. Right here. Okay, so let's scan the QR code. Okay, wait. I need to go screen 1 first.
Ear here has 2 menus, proximity sensor and speech recognizer. Proximity sensor gives the user a warning if an object gets closer to the user, or the other way around. For example, if a train or a car getting close to you, then the phone will vibrate. Like this. But the limitation is it can only detect objects 2 centimeters away from it. This. See? It's vibrating. And then speech recognizer. Speech recognizer will transform the user's voice to text. According to the Pijar Psikologi website, hard of hearing people can write and read well. If I say something, but before that, the limitation is it can only recognize English. So if I say something in Indonesian, for example, bagaimana? See? It recognizes it as Pokemon. So if I say something in English, let's say, good morning. See? Good morning. And then you can resize the text as well. Using this slider right here. Uh-oh. See? And then this is the answer box. I'll type okay for the answer. Then you can maximize, minimize it as well. For future development, I would like to increase the range for proximity sensor and add languages for speech recognizer, Indonesian, and maybe other languages as well using JavaScript.